Minimally invasive gynecologic surgery and robotic surgery are type of procedures that perform typically on outpatient basis or require minimal hospital stay and utilizing a special equipment such as hysteroscopic or laparoscopic or robotic equipment to achieve the same results as with conventional surgeries that required larger incisions or prolonged hospital stay.
Current procedures available with minimally invasive robotic surgery would include myomectomy, removing fibroid tumors, removing large ovarian cysts, and removing adhesions or scar tissue that may have resulted from prior surgeries.
Any patients who has been found to have some uterine abnormalities or tubal abnormalities on prior evaluation of infertility may benefit from this procedure.
With the traditional methods of surgery, which oftentimes involved a laparotomy or a bigger incision in the abdomen, this caused more postoperative pain, required hospitalization for several days, and required about a 6-week recovery time. With the minimally invasive surgery, this can be accomplished as an outpatient procedure without an overnight hospital stay in most instances and with a recovery time of 1 to 2 weeks.